How far will you take your structural chiropractic care journey? Hey guys, Dr. Chris here. One thing I want to talk about is two opposing models in regards to healthcare. And I almost don't even want to say opposing, but two models that just have different approaches. One of them is traditional, it's pathogenesis, really, and that's really what it's the study of disease and the origins of disease. Okay, which is actually what medicine is really concerned with, is actually disease is the entity, and let's try and get rid of the disease, the problem, the illness, whatever it is. Okay, and actually a lot of other traditional healthcare providers as well, even some traditional chiropractors as well, are really concerned with getting rid of pain, reducing muscle spasm, that kind of stuff, which is really, it's valuable, and it's really great, and people see some benefits from that. But the concern is on pathogenesis, the disease, right? Whereas the other model is called salutogenesis, and really what that translates to, the Latin meaning of that, is the origins or creations of health. Health is the entity, right? We recognize that the human body is intelligent. The wisdom that created the body from two cells didn't just abandon the body as soon as it started to develop in a full organism, right? It stayed on the job, and it's constantly striving to create and express health. And as a structural and neurologically based chiropractic office, we're really concerned with salutogenic model in terms of the origins of health, maintaining, nourishing, allowing that to be expressed fully. Obviously, in the beginning, when you first come into the office, you have something that you're experiencing, some issue in regards to your health, and when we look at that, is that really the problem, or is that the indication of a problem, right? Or is it your body saying, pay attention, be here now, right? It's really an indication that something is going on. So the beautiful thing is, as we actually are devoting our efforts solely to actually getting you well, by making sure you're functioning much better and optimally from a structural and a neurological standpoint, once we start to get you better, and once you start feeling better, the beautiful thing is we can objectively assess the structure through full spine structural x-rays, but then also our neurological assessment. So every single time you come in, we're evaluating that nerve system with our instrumentation to see how well the nerve system is functioning. Because if we know that's what controls the whole body, your spinal cord and your nerves is how your brain sends and receives messages to everything else in the body. To the kids, we call it the health highway, right? Then we want to make sure that that's nourished, that's unobstructed, so your body continues to have the best opportunity to facilitate, create, maintain, and coordinate all functions and express health in the body. Okay, so how far you want to take your chiropractic journey is totally up to you, but more and more Americans and more people in the Tri-Valley community are wanting to take their health and their chiropractic journey, their structural chiropractic journey, farther than they anticipated, because they realize they have one body and you have to live in it, right? So let's try and not only get well, but let's stay well. Let's continue to create health, and just continue to strive to be the best version of ourselves.